Lower energy and maintenance costs when you replace existing 400-watt metal halide round high bays with this more efficient and longer-lasting food service-rated UFO LED high bay from PLT Solutions. Using just 150 watts, this low-profile fixture delivers an impressive 140 lumens per watt, and its 5,000 Kelvin light improves overall visibility. This fixture is designed for pendant mounting with the included metal ring hanger and comes with a 3-foot power cord for additional installation flexibility. It utilizes a high-quality SOSUN driver, has built-in 4 kV surge protection, and is dimmable with 0 to 10 volt dimmers. This UFO LED high bay is NSF ANSI 2 certified as food equipment, meaning it's approved for use in areas where food is handled and prepared. It's also ETL wet location rated, IP66 and IP69K rated to be dust tight, and IK08 rated to provide protection against impacts of up to 5 joules. While this UFO high bay can be used in typical applications such as warehouses and manufacturing facilities, its NSF ANSI 2 food service rating allows for expanded use into commercial kitchens, bakeries, food processing plants, and other similar locations that require food-safe fixtures. Find these and more UFO LED high bays at 1000bulbs.com.